Our server Tech 2. It is a special briefing tour to demonstrate products and solutions that Intel offers to our customers about server technologies. Participants will receive a very special gift as our thanks for filling out the survey form.
이번에 새로 나온 미국 버전. 이번에 새로 발표한 미국 1.2 버전인데 1.2 버전이 들어간 태블릿이다. 아직 최적화가 좀 그래서
Wow, proper janky.
US가 좀 낯설어서 조금 불편한 걸 느끼게 될 것 같다라고
I think there's something wrong with the touchscreen on this one. Oh, there we go. Very slow. Oh. Yikes. Also pretty janky on this one. Gallery's kind of okay. Let's see. This one's kind of running smoother. Yeah, it's probably the best. This one's probably got the best performance out of the lot here. But still not as smooth as we'd like it. Oh, no SD card. How about this? Nope. Okay. So it's still not quite ready yet.